Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. So in the first step, let's open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Okay, we are ready, so we can open it. Now click on the plus and choose Source over document. I'm gonna pick Quick Photo. Now you can add this a shape to your document or the picture. Then you can choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.